Har Har Mahadev, a very happy Choti Diwali to all of you. Today I have come up with a beautiful symbol. As you can see above, I have shared it, and this one is called as a Vasudha symbol. It has a very deep explanation. As you can see, basically it looks like a swastik, but the ends are joined together, and between the swastik, like the swastik, we have four dots, but in this we have whirlpools. So it has a very deep explanation, and I'm going to speak about this. All of you can draw this, and this is used as a very powerful symbol for wish manifestation. Even if you are not attuned to Reiki, it does not mean that you cannot use this symbol. Remember, Reiki flows through you, me, everything in this cosmos, and it's the most divine energy. So simply when you sit for meditation, just before that, draw this Vasudha symbol on a plain paper, and imagine a golden light falling upon you, passing through you, and going on to this paper as you hold it in your hands, which has the drawing of the Vasudha symbol. So what is Vasudha symbol, and how do we use it? So for that, we will have to also note that it is one of the modified versions of swastik. Swastik, as we all know, is one of the most pious and well-known symbols in not in the Indian culture, not only in the Indian culture, but also across various other cultures across the world. So swastik is derived from the Sanskrit word swasti and ka. And swasti itself is again made up of two words, su and vasti. So su means well, and asti means it is there. So that means wherever there is swastik, there is good health, success, and prosperity. It is also used as greeting. Whenever we have Diwali, we all draw swastik outside our houses and also at the puja places. Now, if we join the ends of the swastik and make it into a symbol which is known as a Vasudha symbol, it will create a clockwise flow of energy in your life. The spirals are also to be drawn from outside towards inside. Okay, and some people also draw swastik clockwise, some draw swastik anti-clockwise. The clockwise swastik represents the pravritti, and the anti-clockwise swastik represents the nivritti. Swastik is also a symbolic expression of sun god, that is Surya Devta. Because Surya as a god is known as the center of all existence. Life on this planet is possible because of the sun that is present, because it provides the necessary heat, and it gives us day and night, and it's our unique placement as earth. The distance between the sun and the earth is very unique, and we are blessed to be present here on earth because we are receiving the grace of sun god, isn't it? The four arms of swastik, as we all know, represent the four directions, that is the north, south, east, and west. And also, according to Hindu scriptures, these four arms also depict the four Vedas, that is Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Yajur Veda, and Atharva Veda. And not only this, that's not all. It also symbolizes the four aims of human life, that is dharma, arth, kam, and moksha. Dharma means our religion and spirituality. Arth means acquiring wealth, kama means fulfilling our desires, and finally comes moksha, which means liberation from this earthly realm. These are the four main objectives of human life on earth. In Hinduism, swastik is also known as the seat of the gods. Where you draw swastika, you invoke the higher energies. And the presence of swastik has been noted from past 3000 years, one of the oldest symbols in existence. Now that you know the importance of swastik, you know how powerful it is. You can draw it in your mandir, preferably in the north and northeast direction, though many people say that it can be drawn in any direction. It must be drawn outside your doors of main entrance doors, so that you attract positivity and you invoke divine energies. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to take a paper and draw a Vasudha symbol like it is drawn. So basically you draw a swastik and you join the ends. I will always recommend that you draw the symbol, take the paper in your hand and meditate upon it with an intention what you want to create. And each and every thing that is drawn in this Vasudha symbol needs to be known as a part of a predefined energy circuit. It is going to create a circuit. आप देख रहे हो कि वो कैसे जुड़ा हुआ है, उसमें कोई breakages नहीं है. स्वास्तिक में breakages होती हैं. It represents the flow of energy in all directions, whereas Vasudha symbol ensures the flow of energy like a circuit continuously, like a circuit energy will flow in the clockwise direction when we draw a Vasudha symbol. Okay, and you should try to meditate upon it so that you let the frequencies and vibration of that symbol to get synced into your own system. It will become a part of your system. जब भी आपके मन में कोई परेशानी हो, जब भी आपको कुछ फाइनेंशियल बर्डन लगे, अपने माइंड में वसुधा सिंबल को बिठा दीजिए, उसको सोचिए एंड थिंक of the solution, not the problem, and it will start getting activated. Let your third eye be activated with the Vasudha symbol, and we all must remember that we all come with our baggage of karmas, and we all radiate a certain frequency. But when you draw this Vasudha symbol and hold it in your hands, that paper in your hands, or hang that paper for broadcasting in your house, you know, the vibrational frequency of Vasudha symbol will start healing the frequencies, or not only of the family members but also of the house. For the best results, you know what you should do? You should draw this Vasudha symbol on a red or maroon colored paper. And you should meditate upon it for a few minutes every day. Vasudha symbol is a symbol for attracting wealth, prosperity and abundance, and remove any financial obstacles which you are facing. Any issue relating to money and abundance can be tackled with this divine symbol. This symbol can be easily drawn on a square paper. Please note down, square paper. It should be you could do make it a craft sheet. उससे आप golden एक permanent marker से draw कर सकते हो, या फिर आप एक golden paint लेके उससे draw कर सकते हो. ठीक है, और इसको आप laminate कर सकते हो. अगर आप चाहो एक छोटे से 2x2 इंचेस के पेपर पे आप उसको ड्रॉ करके एक आप पर्स के अंदर भी रख सकते हो लैमिनेट करके. सो यू कैन पुट you have to put this Vasudha symbol laminated version in your puja for tomorrow, and after that what you can do is meditate upon it for a while and safely go and keep it in your locker. I will highly recommend, if possible, उसको लॉकर में रख दीजिए, उसको रोज़ निकालिए, meditate upon it for a few days and keep it safely into your locker again. Draw this Vasudha symbol on a red paper I'm mentioning again and again. And write your money goals or affirmations upon it in the present or present continuous tense, and continue to send golden light to this Vasudha symbol each day for the next 21 days. Your life will change in terms of financial position, removal of obstacles, and creating new money energies in your life. This was a part of my curriculum in the abundance mindset program that I did, the workshop that I did. And so I thought, this is Diwali and all of us want to manifest money energies, activate money energies, and propel money energies. Hence, I have shared it here. I hope all of you will do it. You can share your Vasudha symbols with me on my personal WhatsApp so that I make sure that you people have made it. This is an important one. Please do not neglect this little ritual that I have taught you, and make sure that whatever I'm teaching is actually an accumulation of so many things I have taught people in so many days and months over the years, and I'm trying to accumulate everything and put it across to you in this 1 week. So it can seem a lot too many things which are coming across to you as curriculum, but please make note that it is for your own benefit. जितना ज़्यादा अभी कर लोगे इन 2 दिनों में और उसको follow करोगे over the year, you will get back to me on next Diwali, and I'm sure with divine grace you people are going to tell me how your life magically changed. Looking forward to seeing your work. अगर किसी ने you people have made pyramids that I taught, if you've got your Gomti chakras and you are planning to use them, whatever things I'm teaching you, whatever feng shui tips I'm teaching, whatever you are doing, you can discuss with me. I will be more than happy to guide you further. This is your friend, mentor and guide Neeti signing off. Bye for now. Be blessed.